key challenge facing our clients today is ultimately how to deliver energy to the world in a sustainable, affordable, and secure manner. The energy trilemma. At the core of this trilemma is the fundamental need for energy to power everything we do in the world. Energy demand continues to grow.
Oil and gas will continue to be a primary source of energy, both in the medium and the long term. It needs to be affordable, it needs to create security of supply, and it needs to be sustainable. The energy transition from an oil and gas perspective means a shift to our mindset and a shift to our focus.
Our clients face enormous challenges. They have huge ambitions in offshore wind. At the same time, they have a lot of uncertainty in terms of some of the regulatory frameworks and the new markets they're moving into. And they have a supply chain that's really challenged in terms of scaling up to meet those ambitions, but also adjusting to understand those timing challenges.
Some of the challenges that our clients face today is related to things like legislation, regulations, and specifications that are not there or not really relevant to what we want to do within areas such as transportation of hydrogen or CO2 through pipelines. Another challenge is permitting and consenting and the time it takes to have those permits awarded. And there are challenges related to the general non-sustainable business environment for contractors. And together with our clients, we need to work to find a business environment that is sustainable for everyone.
The energy transition is a really exciting opportunity for Subsea7. There is an increased focus on developing low carbon intensity technologies and solutions such as carbon capture, offshore wind power, and renewable energy. This will require early engagement, collaboration, partnerships, creative problem solving, and a willingness to challenge conventional thinking.
Subsea7 has an incredible set of skills and capabilities. Right from the origination of a project through the development phases, we've got skills in the Subsea7 group, in our affiliates, the likes of Exodus and 4Subsea. We've bought technology in the floating wind space through our acquisition of a share in Nautilus. And then of course our project management engineering skills, our ability to take projects from FEED into execution. So that combination of skills right from the very early stages, helping customers secure leases and develop projects from the ground up, all the way through to project delivery at large scale. And let's remember, our clients have ambitions to deliver gigawatt scale projects, and ultimately they need those assets to operate reliably and effectively over many, many decades.
Subsea7 has decades of history in the offshore oil and gas sector and subsea. In collaboration with our clients, we engage and we engineer through the early phases of field architecting, pre-FEED, conceptual work, and also execution of offshore large projects. This expertise, this engineering, these project management skills, and also asset base and technologies are also transferable to other parts of the offshore energy sector. Offshore wind is growing strongly, and we're already seeing now how the capabilities we've grown in the oil and gas side can support this part of the industry also.
Our Make Possible strategic differentiator is nothing new. It's known to us, it's known to our clients, and it's really what makes Subsea7 who we are. We see that a lot of value that these differentiators have given to our oil and gas clients are also very relevant to CCS. And through our experience and our strong project management capabilities, our engineering, our system innovation, our field development group, we see that we can add value to carbon capture and storage as well. We have a lot of examples of the value these differentiators have to our clients. And such examples are the success of the Subsea Integration Alliance, the award and the execution of the Northern Light projects, our collaborative client relationships like the alliance with Aker BP in Norway, but also the enabling product portfolio that we have today and that we offer to our clients. And we're constantly working to expand that portfolio with new products, new solutions, new technology that is needed to address our clients' challenges.
Yeah, our strategic differentiators are really important in the context of floating wind. Whether it's early engagement and system innovation, whether it's collaboration and partnerships, integrated services, sustainable delivery, enabling products, or digital solutions. These are really important ingredients in helping floating wind get off the drawing board and become reality.
We built a strong and capable key enabling product portfolio, creating the strongest portfolio in the world of flowline systems, riser systems, and subsea structures. These technologies are transferable, and we're now focusing also on developing a similar strong portfolio for the transportation of electrons and support of the fixed wind and floating wind markets that are emerging as a part of the offshore energy sector.
At Subsea7, we deliver offshore energy transition solutions. We have delivered over 1,000 projects worldwide, and we have worked in over 30 countries. We're focused on delivering the projects best we can, whether they are in lower carbon oil and gas, offshore wind, or other emerging energies. In the energy transition, we are driven by the pace of change of our clients. We offer our clients ways to decarbonise their projects, and we encourage them to work closely with us on our novel solutions.